Hi everyone! In this video, I'll review the Phantom wallet and help you decide if it's worth using or if you should leave it. Let's dive in. Phantom Wallet is a secure and user-friendly crypto wallet designed to help you store, manage and trade cryptocurrency, primarily on the Solana blockchain. One of Phantom's biggest strengths is its clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to send and receive crypto, view your transaction history, and manage your assets. In terms of pros, it's fast and secure, offers a built-in swap feature for trading between tokens, and is customizable so you can tailor the experience to fit your needs. On the cons, Phantom doesn't support all cryptocurrencies, so if you're into a broad range of altcoins and multi-chain assets, its limited token support might feel restrictive. So is Phantom Wallet worth it? If you're focused on Solana and want a wallet with a sleek design and easy-to-use features, it's definitely worth a try. But if you need a wallet for multiple blockchains, you might need to look elsewhere. And that's it. I hope this Phantom Wallet review helped you decide whether it's the right fit for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.